it now and fall in love.
At matapos ang mahaba at nakakahilong paghahanda, nairaos na rin ang kasal namin ni Mar. Kaya't ngayon, tuloy-tuloy na ang aming pagpasok sa panibagong mundo. At una na rito ang pagharap sa aming unang panayam bilang mag-asawa kasama si Miss Kris Aquino.
Corina, Mar, you look wonderful. Bakit ang payat mo?
Hindi ako makain.
Buto-buto yung sa likod mo. I was so proud of you sa church.
Really?
Yes.
I did push-ups today. In the morning, his cousin told me, do push-ups so that your backbones and your back muscles will be defined. So that's what I did.
Yun yung ginawa
I did
mo?
push-ups like
Tapos?
G.I. Jane.
Alam mo, we've never seen a man look at his bride the way you look at her. In love ka.
Oh, in love na in love.
Hindi talaga. You can feel it. Bakit? Ngayon na, why is it so evident now na before you were so shy and now you're naiiyak-iyak again? Why? What changed along the way?
This is it. Dati pakun pa, di ba? Pakun.
Yes. I remember nung before when it was like 4 years, 5 years ago, I was telling you to kiss her. Ayaw mo pa. Pero ngayon talaga, I counted 8 seconds yung halik nyo. Binilang ko, you know me.
Only she will count.
I counted
Only
yung
she
ilang
will
seconds.
count.
Oo, yun. So, hindi mo naramdaman, Corina, na the way he looks at you na parang you are Miss Universe, Miss World, and Miss International all rolled into one.
O, kinakagat pa nga ako niyan eh. Kailangan kong kakagatin sa balikat eh.
What brought about parang that na now you're open about your feelings?
Wala lang, just being comfortable about it. Tapos nandito na, we're married na. Not that we're gonna be married, we're in fact Mr. and Mrs. na, we're married na. So just to relax and to let it out and to just flow with it. So I'm very happy.
You're very emotional talaga. In general, mababaw ang luha, ika nga. So,
Ang tukso niya sa akin, iyakin ka talaga.
yeah,
So,
kasi while you were walking down the aisle, you was teary-eyed. Why?
just so happy. Masaya ako. And then hindi ako makapaniwala na somebody like Corina would choose me na...
Oh!
Di ba? I mean, hindi naman, alam naman niya ako, kilala niya ako, hindi naman ako perfect. Definitely, God knows and Corina knows na marami akong pagkukulang. Eh, pinili pa rin niya ako, so talagang touch naman ako.
You're gonna live here.
Yes, for a while. I was telling him,
Bakit for a while?
kasi sabi niya, kasi noon pa, dati pa,
Oo.
di ba you know I live alone at
Yes.
all? And I'm renting my house.
Yes.
So for the longest time, dream ko talaga na magkaroon ng bahay kong sarili.
Na may garden.
Na may garden.
Na hindi ko maunawaan ba't gusto mo ng garden. Okay, oo.
Gusto ko nagbubungkal ng lupa. So, so there was a time I was looking for a lot. And then sabi niya, sige, sabay tayo. Eh biglang, he decided to run, di ba? To be a candidate. So gumastos siya.
Correct.
So sabi niya, magpasensya ka na lang muna, isipin mo na lang na para tayong bagong kasal ng mga bata. Wala pang pera.
Okay.
Then nagastos ko na lahat. So, for a while, dito muna kami. And okay lang naman din sa akin yun.
Who designed the rings? Kasi yung iyo, eternity, di ba?
Yes.
Yung kanya, plain.
Oo.
Bakit?
Well,
Explain.
ito ang binigay ni Tita Judy.
Okay.
Siya ang alahera ng pamilya. So, tatlo yan. Tatlong klase yan. So, merong... Basta iba-iba. Ito yung pinakahuli. Sabi niya, ay hindi, ito na lang. So, pinakita rin niya sa lahat. Everybody liked it. So, ako naman, follow ako. I was ready to have a plain one naman like that lang. So, ito... So, maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
I have to ask this, although it may be a bit painful for you, kasi an occasion this special and this beautiful, I'm sure you felt the loss of your parents.
Oo. Ngayon na dumating ito sa buhay ko, umiyak na ako kagabi. I was talking to them and praying. This morning, particularly, in my wedding gown, I passed by Fort Bonifacio in Heritage.
Okay.
So, and then I brought flowers for them.
In this gown?
In this gown, I really wanted in this gown.
Okay.
And I made sure that I wore something of them. These are my mom's.
Okay.
And then I put the tie-pin of my dad, which has RS. So nilagay ko siya dyan. And then, as I was walking, sabi nila, oh, bakit ka naiiyak? Sabi ko, syempre, naaalala ko ang mom and dad ko because, you know, they never thought that I would be walking down the aisle, neither did I. And I'm sure they're very happy that I ended up with somebody like Mar. Kasi napakabait talaga ni Mar sa
Oo
akin.
naman. Super talaga. May binilin ba mom mo?
Wala.
So, wala siyang sinabi sa'yo?
Wala lang. The few times that we would meet, because she was very helpful during the wedding, sabi niya, this has to be your day. Whatever it is that you want, just tell me. Eh, syempre, nahihiya naman ako.
Naku, sana di ka na nahiya. Ako yun.
Oo nga. Oo, sana ano, no? Pero, hindi, she was very helpful. And it really made me feel like I was welcome in the family. So I'd like to thank her from the bottom of my heart.
Ang ano naman yung parati is be happy. Be happy, be happy. Do what's in your heart.
Did it warm your hearts that there were thousands of people outside the church waiting to catch a glimpse of you? Because diba a wedding, sorry Mara, it's really the bride's day. And to catch a glimpse of Corina na bride. Oh. Anong naramdaman mo nung naghihiyawan ng mga tao?
Nakakatuwa kasi kahit when I was buying flowers, helping Margarita for the wedding, kahit sa farmers or sa dangwa, uy, isang araw na lang, ganyan sila, no? So, nakakatuwa. And kanina, tinatawag nga nila yung pangalan ko. Parang tuwang-tuwa sila na bahagi sila ng buhay mo. And I most willingly share it with them kasi yan namang mga nanonood sa atin at saka humihiyaw para sa atin ng mga totoong walang hinihinging kapalit, di ba? Tinatangkilik tayo at minamahal tayo. So, I just hope that they weren't disappointed at masaya rin sila sa nangyari na yung araw na ito.
The vows were beautiful. And I was told this morning lang sinulat yon. Totoo ba?
Yes, in fact, I left my vows.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I left my
Ano?
vows in the room. And nakalimutan ko, sinulat ko sa magandang papel this morning.
Finax, I assume.
Hindi, I
Ano?
had to reconstruct it again in the car. Kaya nakasulat siya sa likod ng script ng ABS-CBN.
Ay, talaga?
Oo. Kaya nawalan pa ng tinta, may red, may blue ink and stuff. Pero okay naman.
Those are the things that we don't know happened,
Oo.
pero nakatawid. Yung sa'yo, Mar,
Ako mas
kailan mo
organized ako ng
sinulat?
konti. Kagabi at saka kanina. At so, sa computer ko naman nalagay yung akin.
Yan yung sa'yo?
Na-type ko. Ito yung kay Corina.
Nakakaloka, iba-ibang kulay. Oh.
Script ng ABS. yun.
Correct. At least,
Yung rated K.
good for the environment.
Oo nga.
Re-recycle tayo ng paper.
So, merong red, merong blue.
Ay, ang ganda.
So we'll keep this.
You should.
Yeah, definitely. Kaya nasa-
Laminate mo na. Bago mo ano.
O laminate, ano?
Oo, para at least ma-save yung paper. Corina, kung meron kang gustong sabihin sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik, sa lahat ng mga sumubaybay sa'yo for 25 years, ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanila ngayon?
Natutuwa ako dahil tuwang-tuwa sila para sa amin ni Mar. Ramdam na ramdam namin yon. And para sa inyo po, ang bahaging ito ng aming buhay. We share it with you. And kayo po ang totoong nakapagpasaya ng gusto sa okasyong ito.
What about you, Senator Mar? Anong gusto mong sabihin sa lahat?
Wala, tulad ni Corina, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng nagpaabot ng kanilang pagbati, sa lahat ng nagbigay ng good wishes, at ipinakita yung kanilang pagpalangga, yung pagmahal sa amin. Tuwan-tuwa sila para sa kasayahan namin at nagbibigay naman yun ng dagdag na kasayahan para sa amin. Maraming salamat talaga.
As you begin your new life together, what it is that is inside your hearts at this present moment, na whether it's kasali na dun sa vows or whether it's things that everybody can share. Ikaw muna, Corina, at mata sa mata sana.
Gusto ko lang malaman mo na ito na ang simula ng ating buhay na magkasama. This is forever, and I'll do my best to support you and to be whole for you till death do us part.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
What about you, Mar?
Sa akin naman ay ngayon magkasama tayo araw-gabi ng ating kasal. Bukas magigising tayo, Mr. at Mrs. at tayo pa rin yan. Wala akong ibang pangarap. Wala akong ibang gusto kundi na makasama ka. At this is where I want to be with you.
Oh, he has has changed.
See?
6 years. Corina, I did the first interview, right? So I am the perfect person to be able to say, my God, what you've done to him. That is love. Oo, hindi talagang ramdam na ramdam talaga. Maraming salamat at
Thank you.
binahagi nyo sa amin yung pagmamahalan. Kasi di ba, when you see people in love, it really inspires you to believe in the magic of love and lasting love. Kaya, thank you because you trusted me with the very first interview when the relationship was new. And I thank you again for trusting me with the first interview as Mr. and Mrs. Mar Rojas.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Naiyak na naman siya.